Well, if it won't work, get me another one. My son's supposed to be home.
I know, Mrs. Lovell.
Hi, Blanche.
They can't fix a damn thing in this place.
Blanche. It's Marilyn. Hi, Grandma.
I was going to see Jimmy.
I know. We came to tell you something. There's been an accident. Jimmy's okay. He's all right. But he's not going to get to walk on the moon.
Well, they said he was.
I know. That was before. Now there's been an explosion, and they're all okay. They're all right. But now they're just going to try to figure out a way to get them home. And it's a little bit dangerous.
Are you scared? Well, don't you worry, honey. If they could get a washing machine to fly, my Jimmy could land it.